plate lights here. This is a 2004 Pontiac Grand Prix, and it goes all the way up to the 08 that you do this on. It is important to replace these lights on the license plate because my daughter got pulled over. These are 194 light bulbs. That is the series of them. This is Sylvania. You can pick them up at Walmart. I got them for $6.88. Well, the first thing you want to do, I gotta find the keys. They're in my pocket somewhere. Okay. And then just push unlock the trunk button. And then you come here. It's kind of sat in the trunk with me. Well, yes. There's two places here. There's two license plate lights. There's one on the right, one on the left. What you do, you just turn it counterclockwise and you just pull it out. It's that simple. This one is burnt out, and pull it out, and as you can see, the filament inside that bulb is burnt. This is HTM194. It's a 194 bulb, and what I have here are 194 bulbs. And you want to put one in there. Easy peasy, no big deal. And then you make sure you line the notch up, and then you just turn it clockwise to the right, and then that one's done. Now I'm going to replace the left one. Pull it down and pull it on out. Snaps on out. You can see that that is also burnt out. Filament's burnt out. All right, and like I was saying, a 2-pack of these are $6.88 at Walmart. And the reason why I'm doing this is because my daughter got pulled over because these were out, and apparently a lot of people get pulled over if your license plate light, if they're out. So we don't need anybody getting pulled over anymore. So these are going to be changed out. Okay, like I was saying, then you turn on the car and you turn on the lights and make sure that they're working. As you can see right here, these lights are working. The license plate lights. It takes all of 5 minutes, and you don't need any tools to replace that. Remember, 194 bulbs, Walmart, $6.88, 5 minutes of your time, and then you won't get pulled over by the cops. I hope you liked the video, and click the subscribe button if you like seeing this, and hopefully this video helps you.